Yo, what's up? Back to my video. So today, I'm doing a vlog. As you know, I've been doing a lot of music. I am gonna keep going with that, just so you know. But yeah. So if you guys know, I've been doing a lot of music. I'm gonna keep going with that. But 4 more subscribers, and then I do enjoy my life. It'll be a 30 subscriber special. So come on, guys, let's reach 30. But let's just get into the real video. As you can see, just click the phone. Just click your phone or whatever. Use your mouse or whatever. Just click the screen. Then you will see the title. This is a new house tour. So let's get into it. First we have this right here, chandelier right here. Then you have some music right here, which is on mute because I'm doing the video. Then I have an electric fireplace. It's actually really cool. Then we have this huge sofa. Then you have a bedroom, cool kitchen, mosquito, the mirror. Yeah, so house not that big. It's actually really cool. The fireplace though. Fireplace is the coolest thing. It changes color actually. You saw it just runs from blue to red. Let's see if it changes. Yeah, it's about to change color. Pink. Alright guys, so 4 more subscribers and then we do Draw My Life. It'll be a 30 subscriber special. And here my dog's sleeping outside. I don't want to wake them up. Oh, they woke up. Protecting her food right there. Her little hot dogs. And right there, looking outside. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys all next time.